What is up, real killer fishing fans? Today we is about to get out on the yaks. We're gonna go down the back creeks where with NoWayJose. Make sure you follow him on Instagram. But we are loaded up, getting ready. I'm gonna move the truck, get it parked, get the chesty on, and we're gonna get in the water. Let's go and get bent. Oh, he's on. Oh, bang, double up, and then you lose it. Got him. NoWayJose getting him. Here, Hunch. Bam! Good looking bass right there. Yeah. And away he goes. Killing it. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good looking guy right out the water right there. Alright, that made the little creek trip worth it for me. Hang on, bud. There we go. Let's get you over here. Get you right here in the water. Boom. You can see him swim off right there. There's a bigger one over here I want though. Let's get him. Got you. Got you. I got you. Your buddy wants it too, but I got you. That Xzone smacks you in the face, son. Oh, check it out. Look at his fin. Crazy looking, right? Oh, yeah. He's got that black spot. There it is right there on him. Pretty crazy, right? Alright, ran out of battery power on my GoPro. Just hit that stupid thing. Don't know if y'all know what that is. It's called bull nettle. It will light you up. And it has gotten my leg really good right now. And it does not feel good. It hurts. And I'm not kidding. My freaking leg is on fire. Okay. So we're coming through this little part of the woods. It's like a little trail. But I want to get over there to the water. I don't really want to take this trail. And to tell you honest truth, there's a lot of hogs over there. And it's super, super duper sketchy. I just don't know where I could go to get through to the water. I'm trying to figure it out, but at the moment I'm not super sure how to get over there. I could probably go through that. Anything easier? I mean, I just don't know. I really don't want to run into those big old hogs though. Alright, well, let's carry the rods backwards with the handles first and see if we can't get through somewhere. Look at that. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. That looks like animals just digging around. Okay. Well, we're close to where I want to be, but this is super duper sketchy. Oh man, there is mosquitoes like crazy too. Well, area looks good. Probably pull some fish from right over here somewhere. Oh gosh. These snake or freaking bugs. I'm so worried I'm gonna see a snake. That's all I can think about. Oh my gosh, y'all, to see this humongous bluegill. Here's my little rod. No reason for you to not be tangled up. Okay. Maybe if I set y'all up like this, right here somewhere. I just don't know that y'all can even see anything. I do know that these mosquitoes are huge. Okay, let's see. Let's not pop one of these bad boys out of here. I bet I can though. Go ahead and take this off too. Oh, I'm on. Alright, y'all. There we go. There goes another one. He is ginormous. Look at this thing. Wow. Look how big that deal is, man. He is huge. Get this stuff out of the way. Wow. Freaking sick. Wow. Look how bright orange he is on his belly like that. These things are amazing, y'all. It's one of the reasons I love creek fishing so much. You get to get these awesome, beautiful fish like this. Got a little bit of dirt and stuff on them. Yeah, these things are great. Okay, I'm gonna take him, grab that, pop that out of his mouth. Okay, say bye-bye to this little dude. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all. Here we go. Boom, there he goes. It's a great day, y'all. Glad y'all are here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. That's a fat boy. Look at that, y'all. Right there on that Xzone. This thing is awesome. Get this out and show y'all this. All right, that color right there, it is called border crawl. This thing is awesome. That's their adrenaline crawl. Look at that thing. All right, let's go ahead and bust this out of here. God dang. All right, let's take this dude right here and put him back right in here. Boom, out of there. Hit that thumbs up button. Smash the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Me and these boys are down here getting some work done. They're right over here trying to catch some more bass. I'm going to keep making my way around right here and see what I can get. Let's go. you'll see a kind of a hump of dirt. I just got another one. There we go, folks. Oh yeah. Let me turn this up a little bit. Look at that, y'all. We're smacking them good. Smacking them really, really good. Goodness gracious. So y'all can see, there he is down there. There's another one over there somewhere. We're gonna take him and bloosh, there he goes. We're rocking out here. Somewhere over there in the woods is Mr. NoWayJose. Here, hold him.
Here. It'll hand you the rod once you get right there. You say he's good, right?
Yeah, keep that tension on him. That's where I'm gonna go down. When I get in there, grab my camera for me. My big one, yeah.
Okay. The whole tripod and everything?
Yeah.
Oh shit, making sure he's
okay. Okay.
Where we at? Knee deep?
That's. Yeah. Okay, bro.
I'll let you know when.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yo, right there. So keep that tension.
Got it. Okay.
Ow! I almost got tripwired.
Okay. Let's see what's really going on. Okay. Somehow, got it. Look at that, y'all.
Yeah.
I went in there and got that sucker out.
About one and a half, 2.
This is what happened, everyone.
Hey, hey, oh.
It went smooth through his face. He just got sewed up. Okay, so we're gonna take this, pop that back through, pull the hook through his face. Hopefully spin that around. Okay, let me get these. I know my reel just went in the water.
Yo, Jerry, I'm filming, my bad.
All right, we're gonna let this bad boy go. Hit that damn thumbs up button, y'all.
house up around the corner. Get up there and be done today. Hope y'all enjoyed the video for sure. Hope y'all enjoyed getting out with me and my buddies.
Alright, Real Killer Fishing family, thank you as always for coming and joining me for another edition of that Real Killer Fishing. I super appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed editing it. Usually I really don't like watching my videos over and over as we edit. We have to hear ourselves, see ourselves and all these things, and you see the things that you do and the little flaws and things wrong. So I criticize my videos a lot, and but I really enjoyed this one. I was gonna do a whole nother unboxing and show y'all some of this stuff that I got from the Bassmaster Classic 2021. I asked y'all what did y'all think was in this sack. If y'all followed me on Instagram, y'all probably knew. But I also wanted to show y'all what was in the Cardoza Lures and what came for me from ThrowBack Baits. Brother, we are about to open this thing right now, man. I mean, this is gonna be the last thing, but it's happening right now. Like, it's going down. I wanted to show you what I did get, what I chose to spend my money on at the Bassmaster Classic 2021. Hope that wasn't too loud. Super fire, first off, the Adrenaline Crawl by Xzone. This color, man, it's called Border Crawl. This thing is sick. I love this color. This weekend, that was super money for me. This right here. These right here are the beautiful 4-inch adrenaline bugs. There are 8 of them in a pack, and this is the June bug color. As always, I got me some of that 309. Y'all know how that color is. That is super fire. These are in the Adrenaline Crawl. There's 6 of them in the bag, and of course, like I said, the color 309. This next one, this Summer Crawl and the Muscleback Crawl, this color blew my mind. I love this color a lot. Let me go ahead and get this out and show y'all this thing. Look at that, how beautiful this color is. Let me put that back behind there. There we go. Show that real good. Man, they ate this. They ate that up real quick. That and that Border Crawl, man, they tore it up. And of course, they will always hit some black and blue flake like you seen them do. That Muscleback Crawl killed it. So, got a few packages of Xzone. I'm taking these with me to meet up with Vern with He and Yak and Tackle in Tennessee. We're gonna get on those smallies. Hopefully some pike, hopefully some pickerel, something else, I don't know, but I really want to get on some stuff. Let me open this, get to the scissors. Next up, Cardoza Lures. Make sure I don't snip anything I shouldn't be snipping. Oh, the same type of color? Oh, wow. Bro, these are really nice. Check it out, y'all. Cardoza Lures. Pull these little things out of here. Open this thing up. Oh, that's gonna get 8, man. That's really gonna get 8. Look at that, y'all. Has a flat side and a rounded side. Sorry, bro, you know I test all my stuff. I gotta let them see that it is actually a durable plastic. Nice mold, man. I like everything about this. This is really nice, dude. Thanks, man. We are definitely gonna fish that green color. You know, look at this. There's a lighter blue and a darker blue. Look at that. It's like iciness. Look at this sexiness. Oh my God, y'all. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some pics of these. We're gonna get them up. We're gonna take these to Tennessee and get smacked in the frickin' bass's mouth with these things. Holy cow. Bro, I really hope I catch something on that for you, man. I loved your other lures. I love doing the video. I really loved your lures. The plastic worms, they were really good. Your Seiko style worms, those things got smacked up there at that lake. I mean, that's why I figure a lot of y'all watch. I do ponds, I do rivers, I do creeks, I do the lake. I'm definitely not scared to get out there on the lake like some of these other guys. All right, man, we're doing it. Throwback baits. Y'all can see this thing has not been opened. I'm opening this with y'all for the first time. Y'all are gonna get a true super duper reaction. I can't look at the Carl's thing and know maybe what's in the email of what is the secret behind what's coming in this month's box. None of that. Okay, here it goes, just so y'all can see. Bro. Oh, I see. I'm doing the complete wrong thing. Oh my goodness, y'all. How dumb do y'all think I am right now? I really can't figure out this box. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna open this thing like this. We're gonna manhandle this box. Okay, we got a few of these little peanuts in here. Keep everything nice and safe. Get those out of the way. Okay, check it out, y'all. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Wow. Look at the box. The Wake Walker by that Throwback Baits. Y'all ready? Okay, let me look at this one. I don't want to mess this box up at all. I really like this. I'm gonna keep this box. This is super sick. Okay, got a little sticker right here holding it sealed. We're gonna cut right across that, real nice and gentle. I really want to keep this box forever. I'm gonna keep that thing right here where y'all can see it. Got me a nice little note from Kyle. Appreciate it, Kyle, man. Thanks a lot. Here goes some 6 stickers that came in it. Got some of these on my kayak already. Y'all can see those in my video right on the other side of my pedals. Great stuff. Oh my God, bro. Bro. Look at that. Look at that thing. Are we sure this thing isn't dripping? Man. Wow. Look at the swagger in that bad boy. Brother, thanks so much, man. This is awesome. This is a great color. This is perfect for me, like legit. Man, fist bump. All right, y'all, well, y'all get to see it right there. First time ever I get to see it. Y'all get to see it. Look at this deal. His tie-ons are great. These eyes, look at those things. Look at the paint job and the pattern. I love his tails. This thing got smoked. One just like it, a custom bluegill color. All right, y'all. Thank y'all very much for all the support. Thank you for the new subscribers. I do see them. As always, y'all can hit me in my DMs on Instagram. I'll be happy to answer any questions. I love getting to talk to y'all, getting to meet y'all, getting to fish with y'all. It's great. I got to see a lot of people out there at the Bassmaster Classic. I got to see Abby, Lady with a Lure. We met up with DFW Fishing 13, A1 Grips, Red Day Fishing. Justice was out there. There was a whole bunch of the 6 people out there. I didn't get to see them. But everyone I did get to see, it was great to get to see y'all. Everyone that's been coming by to my page, keep coming on by. I appreciate it. Hit me in my comments down below. Let me know what y'all want to see. Anything. I'll give it a shot for sure. Y'all want me to do some type of challenge? Let me know. But like I always say, y'all be good to each other. Be good to yourselves. Get yourself geared up. Take yourself out fishing and go get bent.